And there was a dog here, my lord. Hi baby, how you doing? I hope that you are fine. So if you're meeting me for the first time, welcome baby. My name is Sean Arwa. I'm a Kenyan and currently I am in China. I came here to source stuffs for my business and also for other people. So today we are going to the factory. This is gonna be my last factory run because I just realized that there was one last machine that I had not gotten, a tea packaging machine, because we deal with weight loss products. So what happens is we make our tea from scratch, organic weight loss tea from scratch, and I needed a machine to package them because I know the business is about to blow up and it's about to be so big and we are going to be overwhelmed with the orders. Can somebody say hallelujah? Amen. So this particular manufacturer or vendor, I found them online on Alibaba. I realized they were verified, they've been in business for like 7 years, and I was like, yeah, but I didn't want to make payment because we're in 2025, we don't just make payments. There might be scammers. So I asked them if it's okay I could go to the factory, and they said bet. So that's where I am going, and I am so full. I've carried this little yogurt, there are two for the records, so that when I'm hungry I actually get to, I don't know what this will do anyway, but I'm just hoping that it's going to be all right. That's one. Two, I have checked out from the other hotel, but my staffs are still there. So once I'm done with the factory run, in case I need to do any other thing, buy last minute stuffs, because I'm almost leaving China, I will go and buy and then go back to the hotel and then pick my bag and then go to the spa. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to spend the last night in the spa, and with the spa they don't charge like hotels. Hotel, if you come, you check in like at 2 and you have to check out at 10. That's not what happens in the spa. In the spa it's per hour. So I'm trying to make sure that I check in from around 3 and then maybe 2 or 3 so that I can check out tomorrow that same time. Does that make sense? I hope it does. Anyway, I'm gonna see you guys at the factory. Bye bye. Oh, before I forget, look at my glass. You guys like my glass? I do. And guys, today I did not sleep really well. Let me show you. My eyes are freaking swollen. Whoa, I did not sleep really well. I slept at around 2 a.m. because I was editing. I'm trying to be consistent, so I was editing. I was also listening to music. I was just also, just having fun, playing with myself, just being out there. But another day to remind you all that I'm just gonna be a great person. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing, but it's gonna be out there. People are gonna be like, oh, she said it, because this year I want to clap for myself the loudest. I want to push myself. I want to actively claim my energy. All right, see you guys in the factory. Bye bye. So allegedly we have arrived, but I can't seem to find the factory. I don't think I am lost, guys, because really this guy just dropped me like in the middle of nowhere. Ni hao. Can you help me find this? Straight? Okay. Huh? Okay, thank you. I go down? Okay, thank you. So, let me see. Guys, we are actually in the other side. I think this is more of like the I wouldn't say the villages, but the residentials. Does that make sense? Okay, yeah, the residentials where more of the common mwananchi lives. That's what we call it back home, common mwananchi. Let me see if this is the place. Guys, it's so scary at times. I don't know if that's it. Is it? So this is the location. This is the picture that they sent to me. So the guy just said, yeah. I don't know if he meant I should go straight. Okay, let's go. Because even if I go straight like this, I don't think I see anywhere. that looks like that. Wow. I haven't even shown you guys what I'm wearing. But isn't it diabolical that I'm lost and the first thing I'm thinking about is what I'm wearing? Anyway, ni hao, everybody. So this is what I was telling you guys about the cleanliness. You know, we are like in the local where the common mwananchi lives, and look at how clean the nini is. The roads are. It's really clean. Ni hao. It's really clean. Let me ask this woman, telling her this is where I'm going. No? Okay. Let me translate. Go like, do you know the place? Oh my God. Oh, it's not even translating. Lord. Oh, it's not working. What do I do? Let me try again. This Google Translate just makes me sick. I gotta make sure my VPN is turned on. Oh, translate. Okay, so English. Do you? Oh God, it's not working. Oh. No? This way? Okay, let me try that way. That's where I'm coming from, guys. Like, that's where I am coming from. But I gotta, you know. Anywho, it's okay. I'm gonna try and let me see if that's the same thing. No, I don't think it's the same thing. And this is the problem with the fact that I don't speak Mandarin. It's so unfortunate, man. I wish I could be able to speak, because now I'm just getting lost. Anyhow, it ain't even funny. This is where I'm from, and this is where the Uber driver dropped me. And he was like, go. Imagine, just say, yeah, it's here. Come down. So now, isn't it funny that I'm trying to read this, hoping that I see if it's around this place, even though I know so well that I can't be able to read this. Let me see. Because this one also kind of looks like a factory. This right here. Wow. Right. Let me go and ask other people about it. Okay, I have been led to the same place again. Like, just go. I don't know. I'm praying and hoping that I end up finding somebody who at least speaks English. Because I don't even know if this was like the location or something. Now at this point, I just gotta keep going. Let me see. Okay, maybe I might have found it. Let me see. This one kind of looks like... Okay. Maybe. Ni hao. Okay. Okay. This? So the first one is like this. Okay, then the second one has 1, 2, 3. I think this is the place. Let me check. And there's a dog here, my lord. No.
2,000 years later.
Hello, hi. How are you?
I'm good.
Thank you. I was so lost.
Yeah.
Everybody kept on telling me to go to the other side of the road.
Ah.
Yeah.
You know, because we were there before.
Okay.
And we moved here.
All right.
Around April.
Okay.
Last year.
All right.
Yeah.
I was so panicked, but I was like, okay, let me just find the way. And my translation was not working, so I couldn't really communicate. Okay, I'm a YouTuber as well. So is it okay if I take video? Okay, okay, it's all right. So
Okay, so which kind of the machine that you would like to check?
let me show you one like this, like this.
Ah, okay. This is the small size one
Yeah.
we have in upstairs, but we can check first
Okay,
here.
yeah.
You see, actually this one is also.
Okay, it does the same.
Yeah, you can maybe.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, because they are now.
如果想下一点就把螺丝松开了。
Wow. You know the one that yeah. It's okay. You know the one that I really want? We can use this for tea bags.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
yes.
And then also I was asking, where do I get this? Like if I buy.
The rhodium.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, we can offer you the rhodiums too.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. And if you need for to make tea bags, you need the filter paper.
Okay.
Yeah, I will show you.
Okay,
We have,
yeah.
the sample
Let me then
upstairs.
see around, then
Yeah,
we
so
could
you
go
can,
upstairs.
see
So,
around first.
right.
Well, we have
Okay, you
many
even
different
make.
machines.
So there's one that makes the pills as well?
Yeah. This is to fill the capsule, not to make this.
Okay,
capsule, to
okay.
fill. To
Wow.
fill the powder into the capsule.
Wow. This is really nice because I needed something like this as well.
Really?
Yeah.
Here, in this floor, mainly for the pharmaceutical
Okay.
machine.
I'm gonna
Yeah, you see,
show
that's
my
how
phone.
they work.
Wow. Okay, so the capsules are bigger. They cut
have
them.
different size.
Okay.
Yeah, and if you need different size, you need to make a different mold.
Okay.
Because, yeah, the mold must fit the size. Of
Okay. Wow.
the capsule. This one is semi-automatic. It's not fully automatic.
Okay.
When it's finished here, you need to just put it out. You can see.
Okay.
You need to put it out, and then you need to move it here.
All right. Wow.
Like this. So it's separate. The down, it's like the capsule body and the capsule cap. Is
Okay.
Separate, so that you can put it here.
Okay.
To fill the powder into it.
All right. Okay, so now this is when you put the powder.
Yeah.
And then you just close it together.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow, that's really nice. Wow. So it becomes.
Here is how it is fill the powder into the capsule.
Okay, so this right here is the powder.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, you put the empty capsules here in this hopper, and then here is for the powder.
Okay.
And then you see here, you just press it a little bit so that
It can close.
yeah,
Wow.
it will come out. All the finished capsules will come out.
Wow.
Yeah, like this.
This is nice. It's so impressive. Wow. It's actually mind blowing. Wow. How do you come up with these stuffs? Like, how do you think about them? What is this for?
This is a blister packing machine.
Okay.
Yeah, we can make it, for example, like that of the capsule.
Okay.
You can we can make it different mold, and then it can pack the capsule into it.
Okay.
But this one is for liquid. This one is for liquid.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just this is the mold that we make according to the request of the customer. We can make it different shape.
All right.
Yeah, different size according to different requests, and this is to make it to pack into this blister packing.
Okay.
Machine. Yeah, we also have upstairs.
Okay.
You can just take a look here, and then we can go upstairs.
Upstairs and see.
This is also a packing machine,
Okay.
and but this is bigger size than that one. That one is maximum.
Okay, it's the same, but this is bigger.
Yeah.
All right.
This one can pack for maximum 1 kg.
Okay.
That one maximum is 100 grams.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
All right, so this is literally way bigger. All right.
Yeah, this is bigger and this one is actually, this is a little bit different as that one. That one is electric drive. Electric drive, you don't need to connect it with the air compressor, but this one, this one is pneumatic drive. Why it is pneumatic drive? Because this customer needs to be nitrogen filling,
Okay.
like chips.
All right.
It's when you pack the chips, there's nitrogen inside.
Okay.
Yeah, so that for this one, we can make it with the nitrogen filling function. That's why we make it for the pneumatic drive.
Wow. So again, if I want it for the tea bag, I'm gonna have to change this, right?
Yes.
Gotta be something different,
Yes,
right?
you're right.
Okay.
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 And this is for the tablet pressing machine.
For the
Tablet
what?
Pressing.
Tablet.
Tablet, yeah, to make the tablet.
Okay.
Let me show you if maybe they just clean it.
Okay.
Because we need to pack it, so we just.
Oh
clean
wow!
it.
Somebody got it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So that we don't have the sample, but upstairs I can show you the sample.
Okay, let's go. Let me ask you, what is this for? Is this like a grinder?
This one? You mean this one?
Yeah, this
no,
one.
This one is like the capsule dedusting. It's like after it come out from that kind of a filling machine, there might be some powder outside the capsule, so that you just put it here, and then that you will clean out the outside powder of the capsule. And for some of them, this one, yes. Yeah, it can also kick out the empty ones.
Okay.
Because for machine there might be some.
Yes.
Sometimes there's empty ones, and this one can just
Okay.
kick out.
Wow.
And this is dryer.
Oh,
Dryer. Yeah.
to dry what? Clothes?
No. This is making like a powder
Okay.
or a fruit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I get it. Like the way you would have like dry fruits.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
now it makes sense. Wow.
We don't have normally our machine is mainly for food or for
Pharmaceutical, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. But do you have any grinder, like a big grinder?
Yeah. Outside.
Okay, let's go so I can see some.
This one is the capsule filling machine.
All right.
Is also
And this
the
is
capsule-
bigger.
Yeah.
This is so
This
big.
one is also same like that one for
Okay.
the tablet pressing machine. And that one is capsule filling machine.
Okay.
And the capsule filling machine can just, this is automatically.
Okay.
So you don't need to like that one to
Do what?
use- Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Oh, the other one was semi-automatic, and
Yeah,
this
that
is
one,
automatic.
that
Wow.
one is semi-automatic.
Wow.
This one
I
is
got
fully
it now.
automatic. Yeah. Okay, so we can
Okay.
go upstairs.
Let's go. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm glad I found you. I was a little worried.
Really?
Yeah, I was a little panicked.
It seems that it took you a long time.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
This way?
Yeah, we can go upstairs.
This is so massive. The elevator is big.
Yeah, it's for the
Machines.
For the machines.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it must be big.
Yeah.
But actually, for some of the very big size machine, we cannot put it upstairs. We can only put it in the
Downstairs.
first floor
Right.
because this is not high enough.
Wow, I can see.
It's not high enough for some of the machines.
Oh, these are the types of things that you
Yeah,
saw.
these are for all different types of the tablets.
Okay.
That
All
is
right.
pressed by
Wow.
the machine.
I get it now because there are some people who don't want to take the tablets. They want capsules, and there's some people who don't want the capsules. They want the tablets. So you can equally do both for them.
Yeah,
Wow.
we can make capsules and tablets.
Wow. Let me see if I can see what I want.
okay.
Okay, this is what I want. I want to make stuff like this.
Yeah. But this one, actually, this one is different because
Okay.
this one it is with the tag and with the thread.
All
so
right.
it is by different machine. I can show you too. It's also here.
Okay.
Yeah. For that small machine, it is.
Yes,
something
this
like
is
that.
okay. This is perfectly
Yeah.
fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is
Okay.
what's made by that machine. You,
Yes,
you want to put your back here? So
Yeah,
that you don't
sure.
need to,
So I don't
take
struggle
it
too
with you.
much.
Yeah.
Thank you. This is your office.
This is the meeting room.
Okay. Okay, let me put this down here. All right. But I want to take this back to Kenya for business. Yeah, because it's easier to do business in Africa. is
yeah.
easier
Yeah.
than,
Yeah,
and there's
because
more
it's
money there,
developing.
and it's developing, and you can easily,
really faster now.
yeah. So you know, because if you're African, it's just like you as a Chinese. It's easier to do business here than when you're outside there. So it's easy for me to do business in Kenya because we speak the same language. You can interact with them, and yeah.
Can you also speak English?
Yes, we speak English. We speak English. We have like 47 languages though. How many languages here?
Actually, for dialect, there are over 30
Wow.
dialects here. But we don't have different writing. For writing,
It's
we
the
write
same. Wow.
Yeah, we write the same.
As we have different writing. No, it might be the same, but I might not understand what's written in that language. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, and you know in China the government requests everybody to speak Mandarin.
Wow.
So everybody speak.
Mandarin.
If there's, for example, like here, if there's dialect here, like Cantonese, but at the same time we also speak Mandarin.
All
So
right.
at least we can have one language
In
that we
common.
can understand each other.
Wow. That's like in Kenya we have Swahili. So everybody speaks Swahili. Yeah, it's like
the
Mandarin.
official language.
Yes, it's like
Official
Mandarin, but now the Mandarin of Kenya. So it's Swahili, and then we have other languages. We have like I speak Luo, and then there are people who speak Kikuyu.
So how many languages do you speak?
47.
47?
I think. No. I speak 3.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's
That's
pretty
still
enough.
nice.
Yeah, you can speak 47. Oh,
No.
Yeah, you already installed computer here.
No. But I would want to try.
Okay.
And now at least I know.
Not easy.
It's not easy. Now I know ni hao.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, you show me. So
Okay,
which
let
one?
me show you, okay.
The small one, right?
Yeah. No. This actually this is the big one. The big one is like this. It is with the tag and with the thread.
Okay.
But this is big one, so it's
Okay.
more expensive. So I
Okay.
think actually it's better that you can use this small one.
Yeah.
Because for this small one, it is pretty flexible. You can
Okay.
set the way that you want to pack in each bag here on this control panel.
Okay.
This is actually this machine is by 2 parts. This is what we call the weighing machine. There is a scale inside this machine,
Okay.
and then you can just set the way that you want to pack in each bag here.
Okay.
And this is the packing machine, and here. There is a bag former, you see, like this. This is the bag former, and this machine uses this bag former to make bags from the roll films.
Okay.
And but this machine is bag size sealing. What you need is 3 size sealing for the tea bag.
Okay.
And then you can set the length that you want to pack here on
Okay.
this control panel.
Wow. Can I see how it works?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think this one is a 3 size sealing. Yeah, this one is 3 size sealing.
Okay, so this is what I need, right?
Yeah, this is what you need, but you will need to change this,
Yes, this
into
one.
like
Into something like this
something
for the
like
tea
this,
bag.
but not this one.
Yeah,
This is
this is big.
non-woven material. This
Okay.
is non-woven material, but for tea bag, it's better to use the filter paper.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the filter paper works here?
Works. Yeah.
Okay.
But it's just like the sample. That
All
I showed
right,
you.
all
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, you can just change this to the filter paper, and normally for the tea bags, this film width is 12.5.
Okay.
12.5 centimeter.
Okay.
This is the standard size all over the world. And so if you use that size, it will be easier for you to get the filter paper.
Okay, even back home.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This
So
is,
I can use that size for this?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But if you, for example, if you see, this is the back former. So it must go through this back former to make the bags. So that one back former can only make one bag width. This is what we call the bag width. This is what we call the bag width. This is bag length. For this bag width, it is determined by this bag former.
Okay.
And for this bag length, you can adjust it here on this
Okay,
control
because
panel.
this is too big for tea.
Yeah, this is
It's too big.
just to show you.
Okay.
This is just to show you, yeah. This is just, we don't have it's just like that.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just to show you. For this back width, if you want to change back width, you will need to change the back former.
Okay.
So we don't actually, if you don't have the experience to use this machine, we don't recommend you to change the back former because
Okay.
each time you change that, you might need to change. You might need to how to say adjust it.
Okay,
And
again.
then that if it is, you cannot just adjust it well, there might be wrinkles here.
Okay.
So it's better.
Let me ask you, if I buy this one, do I get to also like video call you to help me set it up?
Actually, we can. We have the video
Okay.
to show you
All right.
how to make that.
That's
It's
nice.
pretty
It's pretty simple, all
Yeah,
right.
because we sell it a lot to
Okay.
Africa.
Okay. Oh, this is really nice.
Yeah. You want to try it? If you want to try it, I
Yeah.
will ask our
You will show me.
technical
Also, you were to show me the grinder.
grinder. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. This is the different size of grinder. This
Okay.
is like 10 to 50 kilograms
Okay.
for 1 hour.
Okay.
And this is bigger size.
Oh, I don't want a bigger size. I
Yeah,
just
this
want
is
something
more size. I
because the
think
business is just small.
Yeah, maybe you can start by this. This
Okay.
is more size.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
So
much easier.
how does this work?
It's just like you put the things here, and then you see here. When
If I want to grind like tea leaves, I
Yeah.
mean dried leaves, this works?
yeah,
Okay.
this works, and it's like there are you see here there are small hammers inside.
Okay.
And you use the hammers
To grind it.
yeah,
Okay.
to grind the tea. Yeah, I can send you the detail
Okay.
for this one.
Yes.
Yeah, I think this one is pretty popular too.
Oh,
We have
yeah,
many-
this it
yeah,
is.
We have many customers
Yeah. From Africa.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is pretty popular.
Yeah, this one is pretty old. I can send you, just to display.
Okay.
But when we make it, we will make it new for you.
Okay, new one for me. Okay. And this is what? I think I've seen this as
This
well.
is like a granular machine.
Like a almost like a blender.
No, this is not like blender. This is like, for example, like coffee.
Okay.
Like coffee. Like Nestle coffee. And it is not like pure powder.
Okay,
It's like
okay,
granular.
okay, granular. All right,
granular.
all right.
So we use this kind of the machine
Okay.
to make the powder into granular. So
Okay.
that you know, for powder,
Yeah.
sometimes it just
Yeah.
flies. But when it is granular,
It's easier.
it's
And
easier
it
and
easily
clean.
settles.
Yeah.
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 And clean.
Yeah. Wait a minute. Let me ask our technical.
Okay.
to open the machine for you.
All right. So guys, here we are doing big girl things, you know. At times you gotta find a hustle for yourself. And those who wanna lose weight, we promote weight loss naturally. And you see, we came all the way to China to source big machines to help in the production and make sure that our girls are looking good and are looking snatched. Okay? We produce our tea from natural ingredients. You heard me talking about, can we grind dried leaves and herbs? And she said, yeah. So that's technically why I'm here. All right? So the next time somebody says, what does she do for a living? Look them in the eye and say, she's a businesswoman. Ah. Let me go and see how this works. Okay.
We must wait for
Okay.
the temperature to raise.
All right,
Because
it's okay.
You see that here, it used this aluminum block
Okay.
to seal, so that we need to wait for
Okay.
the temperature to raise to the setting temperature before it can seal.
Okay.
And this is the film width of 12.5. The same one that I recommend you.
Okay,
for
yeah,
the,
yeah, For the tea bag.
For the tea bag, but for right now we don't have the filter paper right here, so I will just show you by this plastic paper.
Okay, that's
But then
nice.
It works the same way.
Okay. And what is this for?
This is the assembly line.
Is it one? Like it looks like
Yeah.
it's together.
We start from here. Let me show you. We start from here.
Okay.
Like this is the first step is to suit the paper.
Okay.
To suit the bottle.
Okay.
Yeah, you just put the bottles here, and then you will just put on each of the holes here, and then you will just send it into this assembly line,
Okay.
and just go through this assembly line. And here is to put the desiccant inside the bottle.
Okay.
Inside the bottle.
It's this one. Okay.
Yeah, but some need it, some doesn't need it. And then it will just go through here, and this one is to count for the tablet or capsules.
Okay.
And then it will just fill the bottles here. And then you just go through here. This is the capping machine. You put the caps here inside this hopper, and then you will just go through here, and then to cap the bottles. And here is to
just close it?
yeah.
Okay.
And this is for foil sealing. Foil sealing to seal a foil.
Okay, to seal the foil. Okay.
Yeah, foil sealing.
Oh, it's one piece.
Yeah, it's one piece.
Wow.
This is for the medical.
Okay.
The medical companies, and this is for the labor.
Wow. This is nice. I'm learning a lot today.
Yeah, this
Wow.
if they have a request to pack the capsules or tablets, this can be a good choice.
Wow, this is nice. It's so massive. It's most of the things here are just mind blowing, truly. Okay. Okay, so we want to see how this works.
Yeah. Now we will still have to wait. You see here.
Okay.
The temperature is not yet high enough.
Okay.
So we can just I can show you this
All right,
the
let's go.
blister packing machine.
Okay.
And then after we check that, I think here is already
Okay.
it's ready. Okay. This is like this. See? Like this. Yeah. It will just like to put it.
Oh wow!
Like this, and then that it will just put capsules inside, and then to pack it.
Okay.
And then it will just come out from here.
Wow. I know, right?
Yeah.
This is really cool. It's the ones that you have to pop out.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. And that
Jeez.
one is for liquid. It's like McDonald's or KFC.
Okay.
When they have the sweet sauce,
Okay.
it's just packed into this plastic plate.
Okay, like the ketchup, like the little ketchup
Yes,
that
yes.
you find by the side,
Yeah.
the takeaway ones. Wow, that's so
Yeah.
cute.
This
So how
is
does it work?
yeah.
You put it here?
Yeah. This is the source that you put it here, and then that you will just go through by these nozzles and to fill it, and then can go through here to make the cover,
Okay,
press it together
to seal
and
it.
here to cut, and then it will come out.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's
This
pretty
is,
decent.
These are all the machines that we have.
Wow, and that's what I was asking you. How do you come up with all this? How do you come up with all this idea and say, I'm gonna make this type of machine? Like, yeah, what is it that you Chinese know that we don't know? How do you come up with that? Because it's different machines.
Okay.
Do they teach you in school?
This is a good question. Actually, I think that this is not just come out by one person, right?
Okay.
It's just the work with the generations of,
Okay.
of us, and then that maybe each person to add a little bit to
Okay.
it, so that finally it comes out like
Okay.
this. Yeah.
So it's generational from one generation to the next.
Yeah. This one is pretty like it's actually this one is fully developed already.
Okay.
Yeah. So there are also some other things that is under developing, and then that there are so many technical staffs that working on it, because we have university, they have a different major.
Okay.
And then that they just when they are in this major, then they will just trying to make it work.
Okay. Wow. This is impressive, I must say. It's just, it looks a little technical, too technical, but you know what? We are almost getting there. And this is for almost the same, because it looks like the one that
This
you
is
pop
the
as
same.
well.
It's just like for different customers, they might have different requests. Like this one, you see, this one is a big one. It puts things like that. Yeah.
Okay.
The big one, and we can make it different shapes,
Okay.
different size, according to different requests.
All right.
Okay.
So you make something like this.
Yeah.
Okay. This for the same work?
Yeah, this is same.
Okay, no, this is the for. All right.
Yeah, but just that it's different mold.
Okay.
Different mold. This is what we call the mold to make it with a different bubble.
Okay. That's nice. Is it ready? Should we check it?
Yeah, I think it's ready. 好了吗？
Okay.
给它调小短一点吧，因为它这个它是要做茶包的，就给它做短一点。You can see, you can adjust the length.
Okay.
This one is pretty long.
Yeah, it is.
And so now we are trying to make it shorter. We try to make it shorter. 把这个克数也减掉。
But can you change this in English or it is just
Yeah,
gonna
yeah,
be?
yeah. We can change to
Okay,
English, but
that's
it's easier
nice.
for us to.
Okay,
make it
okay. Okay. Wow.
Yeah, and for here, you can just make it less weight in one bag.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, you can set it the weight here. This one is 10 grams, so we make it a little bit lighter because to make sure that it will not it is big
Alright.
enough.
Wow.
You see, this one is shorter.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. This is nice. This is actually what I want. Yeah, this is.
Yeah, and this one is pretty good to be start with.
Yeah.
The price is really affordable.
Wow.
You have a shipping agent here?
Yeah.
In Guangzhou?
Yeah. Or you can ship.
Yeah, we can send it to your shipping agent warehouse.
Okay, okay.
Without additional cost.
Oh wow, that's
But
nice.
not including the warehouse entering cost, if there's any.
Okay.
Because we have many African customers. Sometimes
Yeah.
when we
We have done the calculations of everything. The mathematics is here, so I'm just waiting to make payment and carry some few machines. I'm proud of myself because I have no idea. So yeah, and because of bank limitations, I might not be able to make full purchases, full payments today. So I'll make half of the payment now, and then make half tomorrow, and then see how things go. Anyway, have you guys learned something? I have. At least today I've learned how different things are made. Sorry, my bad. A girl can't cough. Today I've learned how different things are made, and I told you guys I was going to show you my outfit. Look at that. You guys can't see me. And I have a bag. Hear it. This bag. I wish you guys could be able to see the whole fit. Okay, let me show you guys what's really common here in China. The houses, the way the houses are, they're just giving more of Kilimani vibe, just that they're older than the ones in Kilimani. And that explains why Kilimani looks like this, because it's the Chinese who actually build this type of houses. Look at them. And they are really, really tall buildings. Is it tall or long? Tall, right? The buildings are tall. Long buildings? Whatever makes sense. They are really, really long and tall. And the roads are beautiful, they are nice, they are wide, and they are plenty. They also have the whatever at the top. I think it's called the expressway. They also have the expressway. It's almost like our countries are being turned into mini China, mini China countries, because this is very common. Let me know if guys this type of buildings ring a bell, because I also feel like even in Dubai there are this type of buildings. The only difference is the ones in Dubai and in Kenya are a little bit newer. Not a little bit, are very new, because they've just been built, yeah. So that's what I thought. I saw that and I was like, okay, this is something. So I'm from the factory and I have just finished. I decided I'm gonna get myself something sweet right here before maybe later on I'm gonna have a meal. But right now I want to try this dessert. It's I think it's a Korean. Jeez, what's up with the Korean? It's Chinese one. So I wanna try it and tell you guys how it tastes. Let's go. Okay. Okay, first. This is how it looks like. Okay. I know what this tastes like. I think it's called durian or something. There's this fruit that I bought along the road. That's how it tastes like. And I've eaten this fruit too much that I'm not even a fan no more. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.